Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we will discuss how we can add multiple flat rate in WooCommerce. So first of all, go at here, and at here click on WooCommerce settings, and go to shipping option, and add click on add zone. Suppose I want one add zone for Madhya Pradesh, and at here I want flat rate 80 Madhya Pradesh, and it is selected, and at here click on flat rate, continue, and it is 80, and there is no taxable etc. If taxable, then click on taxable, otherwise none. Click on add, and then click on shipping zone again, and click on add zone, and now it is Uttar Pradesh. Now search Uttar Pradesh. Okay, Uttar Pradesh, and it is now click on flat rate, and it is 100. Now if you want to add more shipping zone, then you can add at here, like for other state, then click on add here, and click on India, and at here you can see all state at here, so you can select all state. If you want means I want flat rate 150 for other state, only exclude Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. Okay, done, and at here click on flat rate, and click on continue, and it is 120. Okay, 150 means shipping charges will be 150 for these state. Now go to payment option. Now click on I want to add these option on cash on delivery, so click at here, and go to enable shipping method. Now click on Madhya Pradesh, click on Uttar Pradesh from flat rate and other state, and okay, save changes. Now go at here on checkout page. Now Now if I selected Madhya Pradesh, then it is flat rate, it is 80. And if I select Uttar Pradesh, then flat rate is 100. And if I select other state like West Bengal, then it is 150. 1 minute, I am doing cross check at here. Like at Uttar Pradesh it is flat rate 100. Okay, now it is fine. Like I want to check for Delhi, then it is 150. So by doing this method, you can add multiple flat rate which you want to add at means if delivery method give option like for many state, like for Delhi, etc., and it is 150, then you can add multiple flat rate dynamically via this method. I think you got a concept, and thanks for watching.